Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can see your forwarded messages in Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the chat where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, tap on settings, and then tap on privacy and security. Here, if we scroll down under the privacy section, we find forwarded messages. If we tap on this, then we can select who can see who can see our name under the message that has been forwarded from us. So, for example, if you wrote a message and someone forwarded it to one of their friends, you can set if that person can see it based on what relation you have with him. If he is in your contacts, or if he's like nobody. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.